Hey, what's going on, guys? It's boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing this rear bash bar, the shortened one for the rear JDM 9 bumper, which we have here. Picked this up a couple days ago, and it is fresh paint. It's Apex Silver, just like our other one. I've just finished pulling off the brackets. It's kind of a pain, but it is okay. Of course, in true Lenny fashion, we're filming at night, as always. And yeah, we're gonna go get this thing rolling real quick, and I will show you the end result. I mean, this is 4 bolts, and it's really dark out there, so I probably won't record anything. But just wanted to show you guys this. Alrighty, so it turns out that I don't have the OEM crash bar in here anymore. This is after I took off the other one, the bumper already. So basically, I'm just gonna slap this thing on, put my 4 bolts. It came with a whole hardware kit, and this is a really nice bar. So yeah, let's go ahead and install it. Alrighty, here we go. So this is what the bash bar looks like. It looks pretty slick. Yeah, just fit in the OEM holes, which is perfect. And this is the license plate like relocator. It's nice that you don't have to run the bumper with it, because I can't run the bumper right now. And we are at the home depot so that we can pick up ourselves a little bit of rivets and a rivet gun. So hopefully they're still open. Can't tell, but I think they close at 10 and it's only 9:20. So let's get it. Okay, so I got my rivet gun, my rivets. I got 2 sets just in case, and I think this is the right size. So, oh, mistakes were made.
Is it on camera?
Yep. Oh! No, it's good. We're good. I'm just clumsy, but yeah, we just have to put the rivets in here and then get them all done. So hopefully that works, and we can put this thing on the car today. Okay, next morning. I did not finish this yesterday, and that is because I went and bought the rivets, and the rivets weren't the right size. So it's the head of the rivets that isn't the right size on the bottom part. It's too thick for the hole, and then on the thin ones, the top is not thick enough to hold it to the top. So we're gonna have to go make a run to probably Ace Hardware, because they didn't have the right size there at Home Depot yesterday. Oh, look at how pretty it is. I've secured the bag, or almost home, but look at that lighted trees. It's so red and orangey and fluorescent. It, like, in person, if you guys can see this right now, it looks unreal. Like, just so neon fluorescent. It's crazy. It's actually wonderful having the right tools. But now, I can actually do this job properly. Let's see. Come on. It's hard to do with one hand. There it is. Oh, I think I fucked it up. There we go. Look at that. And it's all riveted on. All nice and neat. Wow, there she goes, all completed. Yeah, you can tell a little bit of difference between the new paint and the old paint, but it's not that big of a difference, and damn, it looks good. It looks way better than the last bumper we had on here, which was kind of disgusting. But yeah, guys, oh my god, this thing is starting to shape up real nice. I think next up might just be changing the front out for a 9 front, but we'll see if we do it. I mean, I know somebody who has one. I know I can get one pretty quickly and easily, but I don't know if I really want to do it. Although I do have the Voltex front inside the garage, so maybe we could mock that up and then use the leftover spray from the hood that we sprayed to do the bumper. That'd be kind of sick, actually. I haven't gone and taken photos of this thing yet, but we're here with Tony right now. Dylan got a new car. He got the Civic hatch, bro. I'm kind of excited. There's some stuff that needs to be done to it, and I'm kind of waiting on the stuff to come in. So basically, this thing's pretty clean. It's got an S2000 seat as like the front seat. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe not. But yeah, you can see how there's like dents in the fender and stuff. But Honda Civic stuff is so cheap. Like, you got a new hood, new bumper, new fenders, a new corner light, all for like $600. So I'm excited to see where this goes, because, you know, like, all this stuff is all broken, and they're just gonna rewrap it in a different purple. The paint wasn't that great. There's a lot of peel on it. Yo, it's a party at Tony's place right now. Raph brought the Evo, and we got a Civic, and we got the other Evo. Shit.